Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can share games on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find all of your games and applications that are installed in your device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And lastly, right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to share games on this device, first of all, go ahead and open the account you have gamed in, and then once you do that, go ahead and search for settings. Once you click on settings, here you're gonna find a lot of settings. You're gonna find accessibility, network, users and account, family and parental control, system, and so on. Go ahead and click on users and account, and then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. Once you're here, you're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, and then right here you're gonna find others. Click on others, and then here you're gonna find console sharing and offline play, resold licenses, and lastly sign out. Go ahead and click on console sharing and offline play. This will let you allow anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 to play your games and media even when the console is offline. Click on this option, and then once you do that here, go ahead and click on enable, and then you're gonna be able to share games from this account on this PlayStation 5. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.